because we have a really nice success to celebrate.
A lot of my reward came from seeing the tremendous transformation I've seen in my clients and our students, how it has changed and empowered them, and the difference it's made.
We have a really nice success to celebrate, because the South African Institute and of course the training arms, the mastermind centers in Cape Town and Joburg and Durban, 25 years. It's a long time. It's a very long time. So I have two questions, just two quick questions.
Okay.
For me, I want to talk just a sentence or two on what the 25 years in the past meant for me. And I think my personal growth and the growth of the Institute and the training, they were completely intertwined. It was hard work, but the benefits and the reward, the fulfillment, I think I'm so grateful that I can truly say I live my passion. And one of the best things that happened, guess what I'm going to say, is that about 15 years you joined. And there was no looking back for that. How was those 15 years for you?
Claudia, it's been amazing. You know what? I'll never forget that day. It was at a mentoring evening there in Midrand, and we stood there. We actually stood to the side talking, and that was the start of this incredible journey.
I still to this day believe it was divine intervention, because I didn't know you from wherever, and we just talked, and look where we are 15 years later. You got married, you got twins, my children left the house. Yeah, but you know what, equally as important is, what is your prognosis for the next 25 years for this Institute of Hypnotism and the Mastermind Training Centre?
Sure, Claudia. If I look at the last 15 years and what it's done for me personally, and a lot of my reward came from seeing the tremendous transformation I've seen in my clients and our students, how it has changed and empowered them, and the difference it's made. I am so excited about where this is going for the next 25 years, because if this trajectory and this projection or direction we're moving in, it is phenomenal. And the rate that, obviously we've done so much work in developing our work and developing the processes to just become more and more effective and efficient. And that's you mostly, because you've created, I think you mentioned somewhere how many pages of manuals this is, and it's like a Lord of the Rings.
It's the Lord of the Rings. Can you believe it? I actually Googled what 1,000-page book means.
You've made such a contribution. So yes, taking this further, and there's a saying where they stay standing on the shoulders of giants, and I think standing on our own shoulders, just having what we've done over the last 25 years, already being giants in the force or the power or the difference we make in this world, and taking that further, and it's super exciting for me. I can't wait to see where this journey takes us next, what unfolds next, and how many lives we're gonna. Because remember, this is exponential. It's our students become practitioners, and they see clients, and those clients have families, and they have parents and kids, and everybody is being positively impacted by the change work. So it's like you said it in the beginning, it's living my passion. And a big part of it for me is relaxing for a living, because we do hypnosis every single day. It's absolutely incredible. And for you, how do you feel?
Well, I think I think what hypnotherapy or non-medical hypnotherapy is known for, like stress management, pain management, looking after the emotional and mental well-being of people, addictions and things like that. I think that that will remain, but I think newer aspects probably will need to kind of organically evolve, because I don't know how it is for you, because you're sitting in Johannesburg, I'm in Cape Town, we have precious little time to actually speak privately. But in this world, in this uncertainty and changing faster than we can blink world, um, we need to find the core in ourselves, the certainty within self. And I think hypnosis practices will probably advance to a way of being more, how do we say, preventative, strengthening our own inner connection. I like to call it resilience training. Because
Absolutely.
if you feel centered in yourself, and looking on your successes is definitely a part of that, you know.
Yeah.
And if you find your truth or a truth within yourself, you're not swayed by all opinions or the things that pass in your life. You agree with that?
Absolutely, absolutely. You know, I think up to now, we've primarily been using the power of this modality to help people cope after the fact.
Yes.
You know, they've had something has happened, and you know, or they want to stop smoking, or they want to change something, but we have not been focusing so much in what we can do to help people cope with what comes up. In other words, like what we just had, you know, over the last few years. And this is where you need a lot of resilience and inner strength and connection with your own inner power. And imagine accessing that daily, for instance, in a hypnosis session, a self-hypnosis, or however you do it, and then going into life, you know, with that inner strength and that support. And then doesn't matter what life throws at you, you will be so much more capable and able to cope with that. So I agree with you. I think the scope of this, obviously, we will continue to help on all levels with what's happened in the past, but it's time to also now start preparing and being ready mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, on every single level to be able to deal with whatever comes up.
Yeah, I fantasize that the next 25 years, the digital technology will really expand. And as that expand and AI will expand, I think we might have to define our humanness. And this is a beautiful opportunity, because when you look back from 100 years from where we've come, and if we want to live in our world in peace, we need to find that center in self. So that's why we're working on an online aspect of our business, where people can, in the privacy of their home, learn self-hypnosis in some aspects, and we're definitely launching this year. But you also, from the school point of view, so that the people in South Africa can celebrate with us, you offered our trusted and, oh my God, 25 years self-mastery through auto-hypnosis. You're offering a special for this year, for 2023.
Yes, for all of this year, you know, when you attend the self-mastery course, you can bring a friend for free.
Oh,
so
that's beautiful.
as long as you are fully registered and a full paying student, you can absolutely bring a friend, a family member, a partner, somebody that you feel might benefit from being able to access more inner resources. Buzzing with excitement. I feel so proud and amazing being part of this journey and what we've done, and so excited for where we are going and what's going to unfold over the next 25 years.
Yeah. Absolutely. I so agree with you. It's every student, every client is an inspiration by itself. Thank you. Thank you for being part of this, for this incredible work together.